and gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher, and we're aboard this brand new Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS Outboard. I want to touch base on the V12 600 Outboards. These things, performance is absolutely incredible. We've got this nice transom lounger here, and this boat will travel at 55 miles per hour. Come take a peek. We'll slowly bring her up to plane here. Put her up on the plane, no problem at all. All right, we're cruising about 31 miles per hour, and I'm going to show you what this baby will do. Really smooth. Notice how quiet the engine is. There's 50 miles an hour. Pretty windy day today. Incredible power for the V12 52. Notice how you don't hear any rattles, any big boats. This boat is made here in the United States of America. Easy 34, 35 mile an hour turn.
Hey guys, Jeff here at MarineMax, finishing up the amenities here on this 42 GLS by Cruisers Yachts, starting here at the bow. Massive seating for 6 to 8 guests up here in the bow. Not to mention armrests, and probably one of the most comfortable interiors you're ever going to find in a watercraft here at the Lake of the Ozarks. Come on back. As you come through, you got the ability to close this fully off, make it a full year-round 4-season boat. Come on downstairs. We've got a nice spacious forward berth, also a midship berth, and a nice large head down here below. Of course, in this boat you've got cockpit AC and cockpit heat. We've got a nice big galley right here in the cockpit of the boat. 2 awesome bar stools, my favorite place to ride here on the boat. 2 refrigerators, ice maker. Look at this spacious seating, guys. Again, this stuff is so incredibly comfortable. Best Jetson Mansion, powered by twin 600s. Look at this lounger on the back of the boat. Sure shade that comes all the way aft. Guys, 42 GLS Cruisers Yachts, MarineMax, Lake Ozarks. Stop by, take a ride.